Here's Roger.
Welcome! I have a £38 chainsaw. Not weight, cost. If you remember from our tree-themed birthday video, which I'll put a link to, we've been using this chainsaw to try and get rid of a tree that fell down in winter because of the snow. And last time we kind of filled the garden bins, but they've been emptied now, so we can continue. We still have that to deal with. And yeah, we're going to see if we can finish this off with a £38 chainsaw. Battery powered as well.
Stay tuned.
£38. Log.
Look, cut.
Powerful. Nobody needs these petrol ones anymore.
Nope.
This is fantastic. Remember, £38. That's nothing.
Does help.
Cut. While Abby's having fun over there, I need to show you something. So at work we did a sunflower growing thing, and long before the competition was over, I brought mine home, and it has been happily growing in my garden ever since. It hasn't got to the flowering stage yet, but when I brought it home, it was this big, and now it's happy. But yeah, that was a nice bit of fun that we did at work. Yeah, it's always nice to have what's the word? Fun things to do when you're spending 9 hours or so at an office. There's always little things to brighten it up. She loves that chainsaw. It's fun. I wonder though, can we clear the rest of this with £38 worth of chainsaw? I think so. Plus you get 2 batteries with it, which is pretty cool. Keep watching. Progress, viewers. Quite a lot of tree gone. Bin is getting there in terms of full. Stuff to burn. But we're slowly starting to see garden again. More progress, viewers. Coming down slowly. Bin is getting more full. More pile of Bernie. And we've just run out of our first battery. So it's a good thing you get 2 with this £38. £38! Can you believe that? £38.
And I just found a spider nest.
Let me show the viewers the
Spider nest.
Spider nest.
That's. I don't think it's actually fertile.
Embrace the madness. Do spider nests be fertile? Surely it's the female. Nests don't give birth to the babies, you know. Is she okay?
Yeah.
This is one of the thickest bits from the tree that we cut down. I'm going to see if this can make it through it.
Pyro.
Alright, let's see if we can cut through this.
Let me come back around.
With ease.
Way.
With ease. Nice. It's like butter. So much power for something so cheap. You won't believe it.
And the birds say cheap.
Cheap.
Speaking of cheap, little robin. And then that's the last bit.
Rest is bone.
Yep. I would call that
Great success! The only thing left is the weeds, which we will come to. Robin.
hello, little friend.
You gonna find some food?
We like having friends in this garden.
Food. See? No.
Right, last bit.
And then we'll be done.
Happy days.
Yet another garden bin full. Bone pile. And clear-ish. Ah, hee, hey, hoo. Well, we've got a bonus for you. This is the tree that we cut down. Or what's left of it. And we're going to see if £38 worth of cheap Chinese battery-powered chainsaw can cut through it. What do you reckon?
Personally, I reckon it'll do it, but it'll complain.
I think it'll do it. Probably get stuck at some point.
Yeah, I think it'll get stuck. Or it'll just give up the ghost.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Drop what you think in the comments below. Cut
Yeah.
or no cut? If you guessed cut, you were correct.
You guessed not cut. Return to home.
has to be the most impressive, cheapest tool I have ever bought. This is fantastic. But do you reckon it'll make it through the thick bit?
Well, technically those bits were already the thick bit.
But this is a lot thicker than this bit.
It has.
Let's see. If you guess no at that, you'd be correct. And the reason? The blade isn't long enough. It gets so far and then gets stuck. You'll see. Compared to the rest of the thickness.
Compared to that thick.
And my blade is only 6 inches. Some would say that's enough.
Apparently not for this tree.
And she's going. Now she's stopped. Now she's going again. And she's stuck.
I wonder whether she's overheating.
I was thinking the same thing. However, for £38, I really cannot complain at that at all. I really cannot.
Battery?
Battery dead.
Again!
No light. Dead battery.
Off to switch the batteries we go!
We have changed the battery. Let's see if it was just that stopping me cut through this. Ooh, that's rather warm. Am I going to make it through you?
It's going. Whee! She did it.
With a £38. I keep saying it. £38. And I do need to retension that chain. Because it's not meant to do that.
No, it's not.
But that is fucking hot. Ow. You burnt my schnoz.
Oh, baby.
Ow. Verify? Touch that. It's rather hot.
Oh, yeah, that's warm.
I know I keep saying it, but £38. You can't believe it. £38. But I think we're going to leave it here for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still here this far through, thank you very much. Like,
Share
comment,
and subscribe.
we'll catch you in the next one.